All right, guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're actually gonna visit Tesla, and we're gonna do a demo vehicle. So, but this one I requested to do like an overnight, and I talked to I think one of the rep over there, and they actually allowed it. So, however, their time for them is you got to pick it up by 6:30 and return it back by 10 a.m. the next day. So, which is okay with me, you know what I mean? So, and we're gonna head over there. This is still the one in West Covina, and let's see how it is. This is gonna be for the Model Y with the new with the refresh one. So now we're gonna take a closer look at the Model Y. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So if you're new, this is the Tesla in West Covina. You can see in the front, they got the Cybertruck right there. They got the Model Y right there. And over here, I think there are more Model Ys over here, the red one. So let's gonna go inside and check out our test drive. Okay, so the process is really fast, really easy. You made an appointment, you go to the counter, you check in with the employees, and they just scan your ID, and on their iPad, there's just a waiver that you need to sign, and they walk you out to the vehicle, and they ask you whether you've driven, you know how to drive it. And I told him I tested the Cybertruck already, and he said it was just pretty much almost the same. And let me show you the car. So this is the Model Y right here, a red color. That's the headlights right there, pretty big. See? So the rep, his name is Phi. He's Vietnamese, just like myself, and he was like, this car, there's a lot of refinement to this car. You're gonna feel the difference and everything, the noise, everything, the suspension, the smoothness of it. Well, look at this. This one, and over here is the Model X, but I guess people are test driving it. They got a couple more of the Model 3 Highlands over here, the dual motor. And there's another red one right there, right? One Cybertruck, and here it is. So let's get in the car and let's test drive it. I think just by slamming the door, it feels a lot quieter and premium. It's nice. All right, so just like the other one, it asks you for your key card. Right, so this is where you place it. Oh, so the key card now goes in there. I think ours, the old one, used to be here, right? All right, so let's close that up. And to swipe it, to drive, you just move it up. You swipe it up, and to reverse, you just swipe it down. Right, so let's go. Well, I have to say, it's really smooth, and the noise really nice. Love it. I think this one is faster than the older version. This one I think is 0-60 is 4.6 second, 0.2 second faster than the old one. Heated, ventilated seat. Look in the back. There's a black on black, red on black, I think. Right? Nice. So beautiful. Oh, they have like tutorial for you before the test drive too, but you know that is if you're not familiar with the Tesla. But since I own one, so kind of know what to do with it. Yeah, it actually shows you everything how to drive Tesla, so you can watch the tutorial if it's your first time. And looking at the navigation, it looks kind of like different than the one that I have in my car. This is, I think, 2025 or maybe 2026. Who knows what mine is, 2023. But as far as the road noise, it's way better than my car, for sure, 100%. The cabin noise, everything. And like, there's something that Tesla cannot fix my car. Like somehow, like maybe it's not something on the dash. It's not like 100% like it's loose or something. You can like you can feel it. It's, you know, but this one is just like the Rivian that I just test drove. Nice and quiet, smooth. Oh yeah, I can see the red dots on the mirror. Nice, you know, like blind spot monitoring. I don't know if you guys can hear me louder, better, clearer, but it's very nice. There's a car right on my left. All right, so let's see. Let's get into it. This car is pretty new. It still has the new car smell. I wonder if my wife's gonna notice that I park a new vehicle when she gets home. Most likely not. A Tesla is a Tesla. Really nice. Wow. I wonder if Tesla ever gonna do like a trade-in with a negative value, you know, at the customer. The customer is willing to, you know, pay the difference, you know. The tire pressure is still 42 psi, but somehow when we go over a bump on this one, it's very smooth. It's not bumpy like the one that I have on mine. So I guess anytime when there's newer, it's always better. All right, check out this, guys. This car only has 496 miles. It's like a brand new car. This one has full self-driving included on this one. Did you see that? I didn't notice that. It's nice. Okay, so here let's take a, you know, when I first brought my Tesla home, I parked exactly here it is. Just right where exactly there. And let's check out the difference on the outside. So there, you see the camera has a red tint, so we know that's a hardware 4. And then the mirror, it has a little indentations right here. It's like designs. And then, but the door handle is the same. The pillar camera is the same. And yes, I still use Continental. Mine is Continental as well. And let's see if the gap wise, the panel looks nice. This one is nice. It's not the best, but it's still nice. This one's kind of over here, is kind of sticking out a little bit. But other than that, the gap here is good. The gap here is good, right? And the difference here, it's this one, the back, the lighting in the back, the tail light. See the tail light is, that's one of the big difference that we can see. I see right here. This bumper here, black piece here, is different. It's not the same as the 2023. And going around, see the alignment. You see this could have been better. So I don't know, maybe this kind of high. The same. Oh, this one looks very good. This one's good. This one's good here. But yeah, let's take all the way. Let's go to the front. Take a look. And it's like the Cybertruck. It has this front camera. I even installed on mine as well too. It's right there. But it has these lights right here. All right, so let's open the hood. So I just popped the hood. Unfortunately, it doesn't have automatic, you know. It just, when you hit open, it just unlatch. And let's see. Oh, yeah, now this one has a drain hole right here. It's a drain plug. So we can use this like as a cooler, like during the summer or when we go picnic. The lighting's still the same. Oh, this is where you put the tow hitch right there. Fluid washer. But almost not much of a difference here. And let's see, where is this one made at? That one, I don't know, is it in Fremont, California? Oh, this is 2026. Nice, right? Another Tesla over here. it tells you a type of battery over there. See that? Okay, so that's the front. And let's go check out the back. I just opened it. What does the front look like? There. Okay, it even come with the sticker. So let's see how much it is. Okay, so this one, total price, sticker price, $71,000, guys. And here, this is the standard features of the Tesla Model Y long range all-wheel drive, 3-phase, 4-pole induction, right here, generative safeties, 8 cameras, all this goodies, interior premium audio, multicolor ambient lighting, all this, and then exterior full matrix lighting with adaptive driving beam. That's the thing with the one with the latest updates that it has, adaptive lighting. Nice. And as configured, this one you have right here. Check it out, this one right here, Model Y, give you all the prices right here. $8,000 for the full self driving, and the ultra red $2,000. And then pay as you go. This one is made in Fremont. You can see it right there. It actually is made in March, so it's pretty fast. $71,000. Okay, so that's the price. We know. Right, and the same. So we press it, it closes. All right, so let's hop inside the back and see. Okay, so this is the back, it's same. This has a little lighting here. We open the doors to the same. You see the seats here. I'm not sure if it's heated seated for the back seat as well, but there you can see the lights over there. Oh, you scared me. Yeah, that was an Amazon guy. He scared me. But let's sit in the back. So this one, it has the rear entertainment right here, so you can move the seat. Oh, actually you can move the recliners. So if I move this one, it's gonna recline back. Nice, right? I didn't know that. How about this one? You can move the front seat. Oh, and you move the, all right. This one, same thing on the back. Yeah, but it's good that you can't adjust the driver's seat, because it might mess him up while he's driving, right? And you control the fan speed back here, right? Nice. You got the USB Type-C, same. And then you can play games back here, right? Arcade. It's nice if you have kids. Yeah, pretty good, pretty neat. You can see some dust, so probably someone just test drove before me. Let's see there, got stains there, but there. But on that, you see the lighting here, the lights here. I'm pretty sure this can be changed to whatever color you like. And the headrests, I think, can we move the headrests? Oh, it's stuck in one place. But overall, really nice. The roof is still the same. So one thing I noticed is the clarity in this cameras. They're so clear. It's amazing. It's really nice. My boy noticed the difference. Huh?
The difference is this.
What's the difference? You tell me. What's the difference? Can you notice something?
The color looks suspicious.
The color looks suspicious?
It's kind of different.
Kind of different?
The back.
The back.
It's like a laser beam.
Like a laser beam?
Our car doesn't say this.
Yes, it does. Ours has it too. What else? What's the difference? Can you spot the difference? You like the back tail lights? It go all across like that?
Yeah.
How about go inside? Let's go inside. You go inside.
Okay. What is this?
What is this?
Way different.
Way different, huh?
We can play games this?
Yeah, just like the one I have it installed in the old one,
We
right?
can't play games.
Oh yeah, for sure.
No?
Yeah.
We can't play games. Whose car is this?
Huh?
Whose car is this?
Whose car is this? I just traded in the old one, and we got this one. What do you think? Do you like it?
Wait, is it a Model X?
No, this is not a Model X. This is a Model Y. But this is like a newer version. Look, Edith, look. You see it right here? It lights up. Look at it over there. You like that?
I like our car?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yay, huh?
Yeah. Woo!
Right? Look at that steering wheel. Everything's nice.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah. What do you mean, what happened to your Tesla? You don't like this one?
No, I like the other one.
Why? This is newer. This is 2026.
How much was
2025. This is 2025.
How much money was this?
It's a lot of money. 71,000. Huh?
Wait, so did we just trade?
Yeah, we traded in.
So
Put
no
more
money.
money.
For free?
No, I paid more money.
How much money did you pay?
$20,000 more.
So how much money?
71,000. You like it? You like the other one? Alright guys, so that's pretty much it about this video. As far as you can see, the ticket price for this is 71,000, and the ride, the quickness, the materials, the build, it's way better. It's much better. But is it worth it for me to trade it in? I lied to the kids that I traded in. I paid like $20,000 extra, and they thought I was crazy. So, but they like the car. Even Aiden, he noticed the difference, the noise when we close the door as well too. So for sure, there's a big refinement on this one. You can, like, when you close, you hear the noise. Is like, it's hard, but it's soft. I don't know if you know what I mean. So yeah, so if you're looking for a Model Y, you know, you want to go to the West Covina and check it out over there, ask for a sales rep or a sales service person, I guess, or the person that at the front help you. And if you're looking for Vietnamese guys, ask for a guy named Phi. He's really nice. All right. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. And by the way, if you are going to buy a Tesla and you use my referral code, I think you get like some discount on it. I'm not really sure because Tesla always changing it. But it could go anywhere from $500 all the way to $2,000. But other than that, thank you very much. Take care. Be safe. Till next time.